this is our video. So guys, I'm with Arnold from Philippines, and at the GCC tournament is about to start at 10. It's almost 9:15 past 9. So I'd like to give you a tour of the place. So let's start our tour. So the tables you can see behind us, 2 tables over there. Then there's a flag on the team. This is the main table. There will be a final on it, and then you can see the 3 more tables over there. So they're all together 6 tables, and it's a beautiful arena, beautiful place. See that? So where I came once. So they're about to start. So just wanted to give you a small tour of the venue, and then I'll take you to the billiard hall as well. So guys are marking the table numbers. It's already there. So see you. Looking forward for your comments. Take care. Bye.